While I was doing the work on the outer hull and on the railings, I have done this railing that goes behind the mast, but I didn't show it in video, so on today's video I'm gonna start by showing it and then I'm gonna move to the gun ports. I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. I start by staining the columns with dark oak stain. I move on to painting the columns white. And the railing is painted black. Using a hard brush and water, I do some sort of chipping effects on the columns. I've used some sandpaper to distress the painting on the railing, on the black paint of the railing, and now I'm gluing the columns on the railing. I'm using the marks on the cutting mat. It ended up that they actually fit exactly the spacing, so I'm using that to glue them on the correct spot. This is it for the railings. Now for the gun ports. There's gun ports that I have already made. They are leftovers from when I built the full ship, the full Santisima Trinidad. I grabbed the leftovers that I had and I checked what I needed, and I need to make another gun port, and I have some brass hinges to blacken. I'm using the blackening solution from AK Interactive, and I'll start working on making the missing gun port and preparing everything of metal that is needed for all the gun ports. For the gun port itself, the wood part, I need to glue 3 pieces of wood together. This is 1 millimeter thick and 3 millimeters wide. It's a bit over 3 millimeters. So I'll make a square almost 1 centimeter. And that's the gun port. I start by staining a piece of wood with walnut stain. Now for the paint chipping effects on this single gun port, I put a coat of matte varnish, a coat of chipping fluid, and finally some red paint. Meanwhile, I start gluing the hinges on the other gun ports that were already made. Now I'm gluing the pins and eye bolts to conclude the hinge set before I put it in the ship. And that's it. The gunports are done. Everything is rigged. The crooked gunports are corrected. And here's a few pictures. I hope to see you soon on the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Please consider subscribing.